Can I show you 12 different AI tools that are making people over $1,000 per day that are 100% free? And may I show you some fresh ways that people are using AI tools to generate income online? Well, today, I decided to set myself the challenge of that. But just a warning before I start. Several of these instruments I will be showing you are thus insane with their capabilities, that they are really somewhat divisive. Nevertheless, if you are not mind of some disagreement, then we will simply start straight into it. Fanvue. We then shall begin using Fanvue, the initial artificial intelligence tool. This is the new method that AI-generated influencers are earning money. And for those of you watching that don't know what an AI influencer is, don't worry. I'll immediately show you one. So this here is Aitana. She's one of the most renowned AI influencers. She isn't a real person, though. All these photographs that you see here are fake, and they have been made with AI, but they look very authentic. And so her makers have developed a following on her Instagram by uploading images of her, and the creators were also questioned by Forbes, and they revealed that they generate approximately $11,000 a month from this account. On here, you can open up her Fanvue account. It normally costs approximately $15 a month to subscribe, and well, when you do, you'll receive access to private, shall we say, explicit photos that are posted exclusively for subscribers. But that's not all, because Fanvue has recently included a built-in AI chatbot that you can teach to answer to followers, and a voice AI bot, which can leave followers bespoke message by copying a voice that you give it. So not only do subscribers to Aitana get her private photos, but they also get to personally chat her. And as you can understand, there are lots of people that are extremely happy to pay for this. And it's entirely free for creators to join Fanvue. Like with Patreon or OnlyFans, they just take a percentage cut each time that you make a sale. Crush Chat. Furthermore, AI influencers are also earning money with another related free tool, Crush Chat. It operates a lot like Fanvue. You may register with your AI influencer to make an account to share private content, and it also includes a built-in AI-enhanced chatbot too. But obviously, if you're watching this and you wish to make money with these tools, you need to have your own AI influencer first, right? Fooocus. And well, there is a crazy free tool that will help you achieve that called Fooocus. It is an open-source AI art generator that is free, which has been carefully designed to be fantastic at producing hyper-realistic photos. And I know it's great via my experience for developing AI influencers. Here is how you can know step-by-step how I downloaded and installed Fooocus for free, and then utilized it to build my own influencer. And truly, I found installing it quite easy. Just visit to the GitHub page, go to the GitHub search for Fooocus, then click on the versions button, and then select to download the newest full version of Fooocus. Then after you've downloaded it, you just unzip the file, and then you can click to run whichever version of Fooocus that you'd want to generate AI influencer images. I prefer running the realistic version of Fooocus. And then after the app is completed running, Fooocus will immediately open. Fooocus uses your internet browser to run its program for free, and after it's launched, you can then simply come in and click the settings that you want, such as that you want photorealistic images, and then that is it. You can now prompt it and explain what you want your AI influencer to look like, and it will create them for you. Yep, the other element that makes it crazy is the face switch tool. You just put in the photo of the influencer into it and then ask it to generate new eye images, and now it'll generate these photos for you while also using the same face. No joke, it honestly blows my head that this is free. Roop Unleashed. So here is yet another mind-blowing AI tool that is also shockingly free, which is earning AI influencers a lot of income. Roop Unleashed. This is a free open-source tool that generates realistic deepfake videos like this. As you will see, Roop is incredibly powerful, and that can be used for both positive purposes and not-so-excellent reasons, based of course on how you decide to use it. But yeah, like I indicated, this tool makes deepfake videos. And to demonstrate you how it works, I came here to Pexels, a royalty-free stock photo and video website, and I did a search for a woman dancing, and I found a royalty-free video clip like this, things I'm permitted to download for free. Then I came across the GitHub for Roop Unleashed. Then I clicked code, and I obtained the installation files. Then I came to another tool, Windows Visual Studio, and I downloaded it. Using this software, you may run and install the open source code from GitHub. Once it's installed, you'll have to restart your computer. Following that, I then unzipped the Roop Unleashed files when I opened the installer folder and I selected to launch the application. Microsoft might warn you that it's not official software. I just selected to execute it anyway. Then it'll run the application, then download and install the Roop files. And then once accomplished, Roop will open in your internet browser, and now you can utilize it. Upload a picture or photo such as an image of your AI influencer, and of course publish the video clip that you want to construct a deepfake out of and pick to utilize the face from the first frame. Then drop down and click Run, and now it'll swap the face of the individual in the video with the photo that you submitted. And for me, this procedure was remarkably fast. It takes a few minutes, so check it out. This here was the photo of the AI influencer that I used, and this here was the video clip that I uploaded, and this here is the video clip that Roop Unleashed made. As I said, it's simply totally ridiculous, isn't it? And it's even crazier then you remember that this app doesn't even cost money. It's 100% free. 11 Labs Voice Changer. So now let me show you a new tool for a totally different form of AI side hustle, and that is 11 Labs AI Voice Changer. The way I characterize this tool is that it's both enjoyable and it's stunning. What you do is, first of all, record your voice, reading out anything that you want, and then you choose what voice and accent you want your voice to be, and then you make the audio clip. It provides you better control over the inflection and the way that you speak and say words. And it can be incredibly helpful if you want to produce AI faceless videos that are interesting and fun to listen to. Earn money with TikTok. AI videos. And truly, AI faceless videos are making a lot of money. And likewise, you may make money with YouTube AI story videos. So alternatively, you can choose to make faceless AI videos for YouTube, which also splits ad money with artists. Vid voice cloning. However, if you'd rather want to utilize your own voice, then you must check out this free voice cloning tool from the free video editor app Vid. You simply log into your account and pick audio and select to voice clone. Click Get Started and enable Vid access to your microphone. Now you may click record and read aloud the words on screen. Vid will utilize this to teach its AI to clone your voice. Simply once cloned, you can simply just enter in any text that you want and click Generate. And then it'll convert it into an AI voice which has been cloned from your voice. Every month, all free Vid accounts get 15 minutes of voice cloning. So this tool could be useful for those wishing to make short-form faceless videos with TikTok or YouTube Shorts that don't want the hassle of having to always record themselves talking each time they want to make a video. Adobe Podcast Voice Enhancer. However, if you'd rather want to just record and narrate the stories yourself, then you might perhaps be more passionate about this free AI tool, Adobe Podcast Audio Enhancer. You merely upload a speech clip into the tool, and the AI technology will remove any background noise and improve your audio for you to make it sound extremely professional. But what about a free AI tool to make those storytime art graphics for you? If you want that, then DALLE, which has been built by OpenAI, is an excellent AI art generator that can build them for you. However, there's simply a problem. DALL-E in itself does not have its own free web app. But happily, there are 2 more free web apps that have DALLE incorporated in them so that you can access it for free. Microsoft Design Image Creator, yes. So Microsoft has officially licensed DALLE and incorporated it in their free AI art generator, Design Image Creator. And while it has certainly licensed the AI technology, they've also altered it to build its own version. And, a lot of people actually really appreciate the graphics that this generates compared to utilizing the commercial version inside of ChatGPT. So you might actually want to check this out. You may make infinite photos using this software. Canva DALLE. Yet another tool that you may utilize as a workaround so that you can secretly use DALLE for free is with the free design app Canva. You just open a new account with Canva and make a design, and then you simply click on the apps and conduct a search for DALLE, and you can install it. Every month, you get 25 free images that you can make with this app, and you have complete commercial rights to use the images that you generate here with DALLE however you choose. So as much as I myself enjoy Canva and DALLE, I will clearly confess that it is not appropriate for everybody. Nope, but here is the thing. DALL-E will undoubtedly choose to censor you if you try to produce an image that it thinks to be unpleasant or offensive. Stable diffusion. As well. So if you desire the freedom to make pretty much any image that you want, then another alternative that you can do is to download and install the best free open source AI art generator that there is, in my views, Stable Diffusion. You will need a powerful computer to run this, as a warning, or you'll need to use Google Colab, but it's fairly incredible with what it accomplishes. The quickest approach to install it today, in my opinion, is to come to the GitHub installation page for the Web UI version. Select Download the SD Web UI zip. Once downloaded, head to the zip file that you saved on your computer and select to extract the files. After the files have been unzipped, open up the folder and click to execute the updater. Whenever you do, if you have a PC, Windows can tell you that it doesn't recognize it. You can just click to run it anyway, then you just let the updater run. And when it's finally finished, Stable Diffusion will open up and run through your internet browser, and that's it. You may now just start prompting it with whatever you want. And as I said, it is simply astounding with what it can create. Now, I'll be honest with you, I don't really have a machine fast enough to properly run Stable Diffusion, but you can see here on YouTube that creators have shared some of the pictures that they have made with it. And again, this program is 100% free and open source, so you don't have to pay anything. Although, because AI images are typically made in low resolution, you may want to acquire an upscaler so that you can upscale your images so that they will look crisp and clear in your films. Replicate, but there is an incredible free AI tool that I use to do this. Replicate. They have some premium upscalers like Real Isargan, but they do have a free upscaler Swin IR. So we're just going to use that one for this video. All you've got to do is come and submit the image that you want to upscale, and then that's it. Within seconds, Replicate's AI will extend your image by utilizing its machine learning to add more dots and pixels to the image and upscale it to high definition. And it's honestly very great. You can see what the image looked like before here and what it looked like after Replicate had upscaled it. Well, your next best chance would be to employ Runway, which is the best text-to-video AI generator that there is to make this stock video for you. The difficulty, unfortunately, is that Runway is not free. Nope, their free plan gets you 125 credits and that's it. Once you've used them up, they are gone forever. Canva Runway. And so rather, we can be sneaky. And again, use Canva as a covert workaround like we did with DALLE to get access to Runway for free. Simply create a new video project in Canva, and once inside of it, open up the Canva apps and search for Magic Media and launch that app. Then go to Creating Videos, and now you can tell it what you want it to produce a video of and it'll make it for you with Runway's text-to-video tool. It'll take roughly 1 to 2 minutes. If you have a free account with Canva, you may currently make 50 videos a month for free. And with Canva's premium membership, you get 500 videos. This, in my opinion, is a fantastic value. And look, I now have my own frightening train clip for a storytime film. And speaking of Canva, like I said before, I personally mix Canva and AI to make money online every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.